So I'm about to go out and explore an area where I've seen a decent sized scratching, and I've also spotted a fallow buck a few times. So I'm feeling pretty confident that we're gonna see him and potentially get him. So I'm gonna just put my jacket on, and won't be long before I'm out there in my spot, and gonna sit out there and, you know, hope that he comes out, and yeah, I'll hopefully have a shot. So stay tuned. So I'm still waiting for the sun to go down. And just to the left of that tree there, that big tree, that's where the scratching is, just on the water's edge. Chance that I found that, and that's why I'm back out here. All the cockies have disappeared. And then you've got these noisy lorikeets now that are roosting up in the tree up there. Come up. Oh, there they are. I think I spoke too soon. Cockies are back. Noisy buggers. Still no sign of anything. It's getting colder. I reckon there's about another half hour or so of daylight left. Yeah. That's always the problem at this time of the afternoon, is daylight quickly disappears. Makes it harder to spot something. So I've just spotted my first sign of activity. There he is. I'm on a private property, of course, hence the fences and beautiful pasture, etc., and that's what's attracting the deer to these parts of the neighbourhood. It's a beautiful time of the year with everything being so green and lush. Just got to remember to pack the gumboots. Well, the wind is picking up slightly. There's a little bit of movement there. Only just.